Video I will show you top 5 best agency website design, and that will really help you to make your project successful, and you can make your projects, you can make a portfolio amazing by getting inspired by these websites. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel right now and hit the bell icon, and let's get started with this video. Okay, so our first website is blackfish.co. So this is really great website, agency website design, so you can get inspiration from this website as well. So this is the website. You can see how the gradient they have given in the background, and if you go down, so you can see like the video is going on here, and you can see the video is going on here, and below we can see like the grayish, the background is very looking good, and below we can see like about the company and their services, what they provide, like 3D visual design, motion design, UI UX design, and you can see the other services as well. And if we go down, we can see the featured projects, so you can see how beautiful it's looking, like the project is looking very nice. So you can see how great work they have done here. You can see the testimonials slider, it's looking really very nice, so you can get inspiration from this slider. So you can see like their investors, how they have done their work, so you can see below the other things. Okay, next you can see like our experts. You can explore their Instagram IDs, and below you can see the numbers, and then ready to dive in, right? So this is the Blackfish website, from where you can get inspiration and always do your design best. Okay, so create your design best, like if you are making a portfolio or other projects, then you can inspire from this website. I will also put the link in the description, so you can get all the links from there. Okay, so the next website I want to show you is rejoice.com. so this is really very amazing website design and the agency website design, that you can see like how they have done their work. So you can see in the background there is something going on in the background, it's looking very beautiful. You can see like how they have also introduced the video in very small, in a video kind of rectangle here. So you can see how they have done the work here. So you can also click on this video and see the video, how what's going on, what they have done in the video. Okay, so you can see how it's animating. Also you can see in the background, when I move my cursor, it also moves like this. So you can see how great work they have done in this website. Then you can see how beautiful work they have done, right? So if I go down, you can see the other things like their information, their projects, what projects they have done, right? And if I come down, then you can see the apply button here, and the 3 seats are available for 2023. So you can see the apply button. When I click on apply, so then I can put my email address, and then I can contact with them, right? So that's how they have done here. And if I go down, then you can see their work and the other things that's going on, right? And now you can see down below here, we can see the detail agency work, and then the footer. So next website that I want to show you is blink.com. so you can see the great work they have done as well. So let me just refresh. You can see the 3D kind of animation is going on in the background. So you can see how great work they have done. They have created a very 3D kind of objects here. You can see like coin is moving, coin is animating, right? And below we can see like easy send request, and you can see this animation is going very good, right? You can see the 3D kind of object is going on here. And if we go down, we can scan and go. So you can see this hover effect they have given. Their cursor is going anywhere. You can see the circle here, right? So if I click on this, it will also take me to the next screen. And if I go down, then I can also see the QR code. And if I go down, then all major payment methods are showing here, like Visa, MasterCard, and other things. So this is payment related website. You can also get inspiration from this. And at the end, we can see like start for free today, and also log in with mobile app. Okay, so the next website that I want to show you is CMC Global website. So this is also agency website where you can get inspiration, and they also have done a very good work. So you can see like how they have done a work. They have created a very amazing animation. Here you can see the background 3D animation is going on, and you can see it's on innovative in blockchain technologies kind of thing. And you can see below like how they have written the about us section. And if we go down, then you can see the animation kind of 3D objects are going on in the background. So you can see like how great work they have done in this website. You can also get inspiration from this website, but I always recommend you to don't copy the exact thing in your work, because it will be a copyright issue. So make sure that you don't copy exactly their work. You should always put your inspiration, put your ideas into your work, right? So make sure that you have done this. And so the next website that I want to show you is really very creative website. They have done a very great work for their website. So if I take you to this website, then you can see, and you will also get inspired. You will also get shocked like how great work they have done here. You can see if I scroll down, then I can go inside their projects. If I scroll down, then I can see their projects, how they have done a great work. And you can see I'm scrolling, and then the work is coming along with the other works, right? So if I click on any of the work, then I can also see their work, how they have done their work. So I can see their projects here, and it will maybe take some time to get their projects. I will also put a link in the description so that you can check this website by your own. And so I guess this is all website that I want to show you in this video. So hope you guys inspired from this website and learn all the design work, all the creative works that they have done in their website. You can also get inspired and create your own website design, create your own portfolio, your projects by your own, right? So make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you are new user, then please subscribe to my channel and support me to create more stuff for you. And also I will create a web design course on my channel, free web design course on my channel. If you support me, if you support my videos, if you write your comments in the description, then I will definitely create a video and definitely create a course, web design course on my channel. So make sure that you comment me below and support this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you later.